Hello, I'm Austin Somro. I am a project manager for the specialty division at Ace Avant. Here at this project at Vistar, they had ice built up under their floor that was causing the slab to heave up. So we came in, saw cut it out, excavated down, installed a stone base, put in insulation, and ended up pouring back their slab and installing curbs around the perimeter.
The actual finished product was something that we can actually walk away from and show off to the owners, which they were pretty happy about it. Well, working with the office project manager, Austin, we talked through everything, very responsive. I would recommend Ace Avant for scopes like this, and also it kind of opens up to, what else they can do. Usually the small projects are headaches. You have, guys who, they have other big fish to fry. And I didn't feel like that here. It's from, like I said, from management on down to the crew. The attention was very much met.
One of the key reasons for a project success is having a great contractor to work for. And here it was Williams Company. We've done a lot of projects with them in the past and hope to do many more in the future. At Ace Avant, we love involving ourselves in these technical kind of projects that have a lot of details in them, and we love giving the owner of the facility a nice product at the end of our role here.
Yeah, definitely recommend to other contractors. I'd rather keep you on my schedule. Overall experience here with Ace Avant, it was a pleasure, and I definitely recommend that our company work with Ace Avant on future projects.
Yeah, if you're a general contractor or a facilities manager or a building owner and you need any kind of repair work done or polishing or joint filling, we specialize in all those areas and we'd be happy to help you.